My name is Steven, and I am in the STEM 8 cohort. What I would like to share with you is a fully functioning water filtration system that only uses inexpensive household items to filter out particles, dirt, and bacteria. Let me show you how this works. The main issue was that we had to clean dirty water. Most of this was through filtration, but usually people would go out and buy pre-made filters. The problem is, where do we get these during an emergency or a place that lacks a civil center? How do we access clean, healthy water while keeping it low cost and using strictly household items? We can do so through three things: filtration, distillation, or chemicals. We pick filtration. On our first test, you can see all of the dirt here that was originally mixed with the water. We added coffee filters on the top rim of the soda bottle and the lower half because it had a lot of structural support. The water exited was very clean and was a night and day difference compared to what we had earlier. This was arguably one of the best in class, and this only used a soda bottle and coffee filters, which is really easy to get and was all found inside of my house. On our final test, we had to clean the most dirty water filled with salt, bacteria, and dirt. We used what we have learned in our last test and overused it. We added filters on filters to get the most dirt and salt out as much as we can, including bacteria and salt. We also used chlorine to kill the bacteria if just in case the filters didn't get them out, so then we could have a safe reassurance that our water was clean. Now on this hyperlapse, you can see us building it using recycled Coca-Cola cans that were not bought for this but was used from leftovers. You can see the dirt piling up on the coffee filters itself and the water that it got removed. Through this second hyperlapse, you can see the water finally going out through all of the filters before chlorine was added. It still had a yellow taint, but we made sure that the chlorine took care of it and killed all the bacteria. Our water, when everything was finished, was clean with no bacteria in it. Although I do not have access to the final summary, our water was one of the more successful one in the class, and we solved how to get water through cheap coffee filters and chlorine. The reason why I like this project so much is because we got first-hand experience on how to deal with bacteria and water and everything that comes into it. How to filter things out and how people develop filters on how to filter out bacteria and water. We also learned how to use scientific notations to our advantage to speed up the process on putting all the zeros before or after the decimal. What is next for me is how to understand and build more efficient water filters. Thank you for watching my project.